My name is Nanisha Bolsuri. I am studying in 7th standard. I am doing one activity. These names are air pressure is moved from high pressure to low pressure. Take two balloons approximately equal size. Put some water in the balloons and blow up both balloons and hang the 8 centimeter to 10 centimeter like that.